What's up, everybody? Got a couple of teams to bid on, so we're going to wait a minute, let some people come on in. And we can get the ball rolling on this for us. How's everybody doing tonight? Happy Friday. Almost Christmas time. A lot of people out of school, taking off work next week. My wife's a teacher. I know she'll be off next week. All the kids and everything. We do have a couple teams we're going to be bidding on here live in the chat room here. So looking at Celtics and Rockets. Just need a few more people in here to get that going. Come on, where's everybody at? Come on now. Usually we get 10 people in here pretty quickly. What everybody doing? We'll give it another minute or two. And we'll go from there. Man, it's quiet out there today. Okay. So, I guess what I'll do here, I'm going to get this knocked out pretty quickly. So let's just go ahead and bid on them as a group. So you get two teams for the price of one. What we do, any unpaid teams we have, we do bidding here live in the do like a live auction in the chat room here. We start off at $5, $1 increments at least, and then basically, yeah, whenever it slows down, I'll say going once, going twice, and sold. Shipping's already included in the price. Yeah, so that's it. So let's just group them together, man. We'll do the Celtics and the Rockets And let's rock and roll. Ed, you got. I'll do most of my chatting inside the chat room. There's too much of a delay, so if I'm really quiet, that's why I'm kind of watching the chat room and chatting in there. We're bidding on the Celtics and the Rockets together right now, Scott. Sorry, I answered you in the chat room to avoid any kind of delay. Can y'all hear me okay? This coming in clear today? All right, cool. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right. All right, James, David, let me get you my payment information real quick. Give me 1 second. One moment here. Whew. And let me know also, James, what other teams do you have in this already? If you do, let me know who you have so I can kind of link them all together if you don't mind. Scott, yes, I will, dude. I mean, if you buy anything on the same night, I'm going to ship it together. I can ship it combined shipping. So I will definitely combine shipping for you. That's not a problem at all. Just do me a favor. Thanks, James. Appreciate it. Just do me a favor, Scott, and whenever you win a team or whatever, an absolute, shoot me a message. Just remind me so I can know who you are and that we talked about it. I certainly don't mind. All right, give me a sec. Where'd my pen go? All right. Let me know once you pay, James, and I'll try to keep an eye out for it. But as long as it's on the same night, I don't mind because I usually ship the next day almost everything. So, well, this I'll be shipping on Monday, next business day, you know. Ah, James, appreciate it. Got your cash. Thank you so much. All right, just got to make some notes here and we'll get started, guys. I appreciate y'all's patience. All right. Almost ready, guys. Sorry. We have Memphis, Grizzlies. Oh, there you are. Chrome Collector. Gotcha, brother. Gotcha. All right, I'll make sure I get you here. Ignore my nasty handwriting. I can read it. Awesome. All right, guys, we're good to go. Let's get going, baby. All right, appreciate y'all. Yeah, so what Scott was talking about, in case you're wondering, my next breakup is going to be these. I got 10 mega boxes of Absolute Football. And so we're going to be doing some kaboom hunting later on tonight. Those close at 9 o'clock, so it's like 45 minutes away from now. And beef stew chicken. Beef stew chicken, all right. And then, yeah, so they got 10 autos, 10 memorabilia cards, and of course we're kaboom hunting on those. So, all right, but let's get going with this one. Optic Cello. Let's go, baby. Here's all your winners. All the wieners with your eBay names, of course. All right, if you guys are brand new to the group, I welcome you. I'm glad to have you here. My name's Dennis. The other guy that works here. The other admin here is Chris Sheffer. Both of us like to do some breaks on the Facebook group. We do razzes, we do some rip and ships, we do a little bit of everything. So keep an eye out, man. We like to have a good time. We usually try to throw some nice stuff up there, some good prices. So we got a box of these here, 15 cards per back, 12 packs per box. So we should have 12 packs in here. I'm just gonna unload them all at once here. Boom. All right, so there should be 6 on each side. There's 6. There's 6. Push them off to the side here. We got you an empty box here. I'm gonna save this. I like these boxes. These come in handy. All right, let me double check my notifications, make sure I don't have someone trying to join. This box is straight from Target, baby. Pretty sure it's from Target. So, yeah. Straight hot from Target. All right. That's the only reason it was open. Because they don't ship theirs sealed. Drives me nuts, but they don't do it, so... That's the only reason it was open. That's the first time I've actually opened the box, though. So it's been pristine closed. All right, we're looking here. We got 12 cards per pack. We got a bonus pack with 3 the Blue Velocity Prisms. I'm sure you guys have seen these before. They're absolutely gorgeous, man. The Blue Velocity is fire, baby. So what I'm going to do, man, someone suggested I do this last time I did a box, is I'm going to open up all of the regular. I'm going to put the Blue Velocity to the side, and we'll do those last, man. You guys cool with that? I don't mind doing that. I think it'll be fun. We'll save the best for last. So let's get started without further delay. Sorry for the delay getting started. And I don't know where everybody was today. So we got 2 packs there. Putting this off to the side. And we'll just get started. Good luck, everyone. I think it'll be fun doing it this way. Someone suggested that, and I was like, ooh, I'm going to do it that way next time. All right, here we go, guys. We got Josh Jackson, Pistons. We got Brook Lopez, for the Bucks. Bogdanovich for the Jazz. Pascal for the Warriors. Rudy Gay for the Spurs. Eric Gordon, Rockets. Devin Booker, Suns. And a Dort. Nice one there. That's pretty. That purple prism. Gorgeous card. We've got a John Stockton Express Lane for the Jazz. Ooh, and a silver Brook Lopez for the Bucks. A Zeke Naji for the Nuggets. Vernon Carey Jr. Come on, baby. You know we don't want that one. We want the other Hornet. And a Killian Hayes for the Pistons. I'm just going to sleeve these silvers up real quick here. You guys give me a shout out, man. Let me know what players we're looking for, man. We'll throw some good vibes out there. Hopefully get what we want. Sometimes you put that mojo out there, see what we can do. All right, second box. I'm all frozen up on my side. Let me make sure I'm good to go. Yeah, I'm good. Making sure it was just me. It's just me. My feed was messed up. All right, putting this off to the side. And here we go. All right, everybody, good luck. We have De'Aaron Fox for the Kings. Otto Porter Jr. for the Bulls. Steven Adams for the Pelicans. Dort again there for the Thunder. Aaron Gordon for the Magic. Darius Garland for the Cavaliers. Bogdanovich for the Hawks. Got Duncan Robinson for our purple. Express lane is going to be Dwayne Wade for the Heat. Jeremy Grant's our silver for the Pistons. James Wiseman, there we go. Nice one there for the Warriors. Here we go, baby. Getting warmed up now. Got a Hornet back here. Emmanuel Quickly for the Knicks. Come on, baby. Grant Riller. So we're getting all the other guys out of the way first. And then we'll pull us some LaMelos. So, oh, by the way, all these rookies, I will be sleeving later. At least sleeving. Some of them top loading, most of them sleeving. If you have a certain player that you're like, hey, dude, that's my PC. I love this guy. Would you just let me know? And I'll be happy to put him in a top loader. I mean, you know, just ask me. I don't mind at all. I am doing the sleeving the silvers real quick, so that we can just protect them a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So just holler. I don't mind. I'm not stingy. You guys to be happy. All right, third pack up. Let's go, baby. Detroit's on fire. Did they get the other silver too? I can't even remember now. All right. Boop. Okay. Third pack up. Cam Reddish, Hawks. Harrison Barnes, Kings. Malcolm Brogdon for the Pacers. Steph Curry for the Warriors. Got Daniel House Jr. for the Rockets. P.J. Washington Jr. Hornets. Got a winner stays. It's a nice silver for the Mavericks. Jason Kidd. Jason Tatum. My house. Got a splash. Steph Curry. Nice one there for the Warriors. Robert Woodard II. Come on, we want the other king. There he is. Tyrese Halliburton right after him. And a Rocket, we got Kenyon Martin Jr. All right, all right. Not too bad there. I've had pretty good luck pulling checkerboards out of here, so. It was Optic, right? I'm not losing my mind, right? That goes there. Oh, Jason Kidd. Now the coach of the Mavericks. I still don't know how I feel about that yet. It is what it is, I guess. I can't really control it, so. I'm a Mavericks fan, by the way. Big Dirk fan back in the day. Yeah, of course, I'm a big Luka fan. That's my boy on the cover right there. All right. 2 packs. Put that one off to the side. Let's go. Got Tim Hardaway Jr. Mavericks. Joker for the Nuggets. Mikal Bridges, Suns. Got Devontae Graham, Hornets. Blake Griffin, Pistons. Fred Van Vliet for the Raptors. Got a Tim Duncan. Wow, old school there. Spares. Nice winner stays. Purple. And a Dwayne Wade. There we got Express Lane again there. Supersonics for Gary Payton. That's going to go to the Thunder. Got a Sadiq Bey for the Pistons. Malachi Flynn for the Raptors. And Patrick Williams. Nice one there for the Bulls. I don't think that's a silver. Put it over there. All right, that's a sweet-looking Tim Duncan, man. Hated this guy when he was playing, man. He used to kill my Mavericks every single time, but I got a lot of respect for him. You know what I'm saying? You got to. Dude was a beast back in the day. All right, here we go. Two packs there. All right, we got a Victor Oladipo for the Rockets. Karis LeVert, Pacers. Norman Powell for the Raptors. We got Kyle Kuzma for the Lakers. Got a Drew Holiday for the Bucks. Sorry. Davis Bertans, Wizards. Zach LaVine for the Bulls. Kelly Oubre. Nice purple there for the Warriors. Ooh, Zion. Boy, I hope he comes back soon. Missed that guy. Woo, silver Tyrese Halliburton. Nice. And we got a Jordan Nwora and an Aaron Nesmith behind that. Got Bucks and the Celtics. There we go. 2 away from all Pistons rookies. This is nice. Nice. Clean looking card too, man. Nice surface on that one. Yeah, that's a pretty card. Yeah, the centering looks pretty decent too. Just looking at it offhand, corners look good, man. That's a beautiful card. That's a 10 right there, baby. I don't know. Well, hopefully. All right. Nice one. Yeah, Sacramento is kind of winning this so far. We got to get us some Ant-Man. We got to get us some LaMelo, baby. We're hitting all the other Hornets. Got to get us a LaMelo. What else we need out there? Of course, we got all the blue velocities. It's going to be fun. I don't remember what the Sacramento sell for. Wasn't much. They got their money's worth already, I promise you that. Spencer Dinwiddie for the Nets. Keldon Johnson spares. DiVincenzo for the Bucks. We got Cody Zeller, Hornets. Mike Conley for the Jets. Landry Shamet for the Nets. Kevin Love in the purple. Splash D'Angelo Russell. Pete Maravich. Ooh, old school right there for the Jazz. Express Lane. Kwangwu for the Hawks. Got Saban Lee. And Isaiah Stewart. Yeah, 28. Oh, 18. Holy crap. Well, after taxes and everything, well, it probably came out to like, with shipping and taxes, and it probably came out to 28, something like that. All right, let me clear this out. Make some room for more cards here. But still, man, that silver is super nice. Halfway there. We halfway gone, baby. All right, 6 to go. We still need to get some big shots, man. Putting that to the side. Of course, 6 to go, but we got all these to open. I'm excited. That's going to be fun. All right, 1 second here. Check, make sure. Yeah, I got someone joining the group. Bear with me just a second here. Right on. Okay. All right, let's move on. Next pack here. We got Jonathan Isaac. Magic. TJ Warren for the Pacers. Mo Bamba for the Magic. Miles Turner for the Pacers. Kobe White, Bulls. We got Kyrie Irving for the Nets. DeAndre Ayton, Suns, purple. Trae Young splashed. Got Chris Paul Express Lane. Robert Woodard again. Come on, man. Always followed by Tyrese Halliburton. Hit again. Kenyon Martin Jr. That's 3, baby, right there. It's a King's box, my friends. It's a King's box. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Sacramento's eating over here, man. Is that you, James? All right, man. Good. Nice job. Congratulations, my friend. That silver is a beautiful card, my friend. We'll take a closer look later. But I'm telling you, man, that surface is super clean, which is the biggest problem, I guess, you have with silvers. And the centering is nice, and the corners and the edges are nice. Ooh, it's a beautiful card, brother. Might be worth grading that one. There you go, 2 of those. My announcements are just keep blowing up. Kemba Walker, Celtics. Got John Wall, Rockets. Christian Wood for the Rockets. Wendell Carter Jr., Bulls. Draymond Green for the Warriors. We got Zach Collins for the Trail Blazers. We have James Harden, Nets, Express Lane. Luka! It's a beaut right there, man. Ooh, yes. Nice. Got Jason Kidd again. Winner stays. Go Mavericks. Go Mavericks. Joel Embiid for the 76ers. T-minus. Zeke Naji. Oh, we got a Hornet. Come on, baby. Seriously? Seriously? Killing me, Smalls. Killing me, Smalls. Killing me. Killing me, Smalls. Can never have too many Vernon carries. That's a beautiful card, too. You're saving all the LaMelos and the Ant-Mans for the blue velocities, I'm guessing. That's my guess. Oh no, we still got a ways. We still got 4 packs left here. We can do this. I got faith, man. I got faith in it. I got. Let's put some magic out there for some Ant-Man and some LaMelo. Boom, boom. Ant-Man. Okay, Serge Ibaka, Clippers. Klay Thompson, Warriors. Gallinari for the Hawks. We got Luke Kennard for the Clippers. Paul Millsap for the Nuggets. Damian Lillard for the Trailblazers. Anthony Davis, Air Defense Silver. Nice one there, man. That's pretty. Like that for the Lakers. Got Russell Westbrook, my house. Maybe a silver too. Ooh, another Anthony Davis, just a regular. Huh, interesting. All right, Killian Hayes for the Pistons. Elijah Hughes and a Poku and a Jazz Azabuki. Azabuki. It's kind of a cool. I've never seen one looking like this. A silver. I've seen the purple. Those are pretty sweet right there. Nice looking card. All right, we got 3 more, guys, and then we're gonna go to the blue velocity packs. Boom, boom. They have a chance, you think? They have a chance, just in volume. I know, man. All those Halliburtons are looking pretty up there. All right, Lonnie Walker, the Spares. We got Zion, Pelicans. Jackson Hayes, Pelicans. Chris Middleton for the Bucks. PJ Tucker for the Rockets. Sticking together a little bit. SGA for the Thunder. We got Jared Allen for the Cavaliers. There's the one I was talking about. The purple LeBron James. Air Defense. Nice one there. Dirk! My boy Dirk. I love me some Dirk. Another LeBron James. There we go. Peyton Pritchard. Celtics. And... oh, give me an Ant-Man. Boom! There we go. There we go. We got one of them. Ant-Man said, hold my beer. I'm here. Oops, get in there. Get in there. Oh, can't see. There we go. About time is right, Scott. About damn time. It's trying to make you wait. All right, we'll replace one of these dudes for one of these dudes. Nice one there. And I'm just going to sleeve this one for now. I thought it was a purple. I don't think it's a purple. This one is a beautiful looking card right there. And it is LeBron. Love him or hate him, it's LeBron. Not a fan personally, but it's LeBron. We'll put this one up here. Till LaMelo shows up anyways. All right, we got 2 more regular packs here. All right, pack number 11. LeBron James right off the bat. It's going to be a good one. It's going to be a good one. Russell Westbrook, Wizards. Dragic for the Heat. Eric Bledsoe, Pelicans. Valanciunas for the Grizzlies. We got Siakam for the Raptors. Russell Westbrook. Ooh, that's a silver right there for sure. My House for the Wizards. We got Donovan Mitchell, My House for the Jazz. We got a Jamal Murray for the Nuggets. A splash. Come on now. Cassius Stanley may have a shot here. For the Pacers, we got R.J. Hampton for the Nuggets. No, it's a Thunder. It's a Maladin. I didn't think it was the right color behind it, but I was hoping. Wishful thinking. I'm a little colorblind, so sometimes I miss. Can't be helped. Last pack, and then we're going to open up all the blue velocities. I'm excited. I love me some of those. Get to the main event. Ooh, we got 36 of those bad boys. Surely we hit something fancy with that. 2 packs. Stay. Good boy. Good boy. All right, good luck here. We got Markelle Fultz for the Magic. Rui, Wizards. Carmelo Anthony for the Trail Blazers. Porzingis, go Mavericks. KD for the Nets. We got Ben Simmons, 76ers. Andrew Wiggins, Warriors. We got Jimmy Butler. Nice purple there for the Heat. Got Ja Express Lane. Nice one there for the Grizzlies. Silver Eric Pascal for the Warriors. All right, Denny Advagia, Wizards. And a King is another Tyrese Halliburton. It's a Jamias Ramsey this time. Got to spread the love around a little bit now, right? All right, that's it right there. All right, so let me get these cards out of the way, and then we'll open up these blue velocity packs and see what we find. And do want to remind you, please, do you like to go kaboom hunt? Do you like to go kaboom hunt? I know I do. Yeah, we're going to open these 10 mega boxes of Absolute. So it's 10 autos, 10 memorabilia cards, and hopefully a kaboom or 2. I'm overdue, man. I've only hit 1, and I've opened up a shit ton of this stuff, so I'm way overdue. It's time to get another one. All right, so we got 12 of these bad boys. Good luck, everybody. Whoever told me this, and I cannot remember, fantastic idea. I am excited. Except these are a bitch to open sometimes. There we go. All right, starting us off. First pack. Luke Kennard for the Clippers. De'Aaron Fox for the Kings. We got a Bull. A Devin Dotson for the Bulls. Should have a rookie in each one. All right, I got Steven Adams for the Pelicans. A Dort for the Thunder. We got a Nick Obi Toppin. I think that's our first Obi Toppin that we've gotten tonight. All right, we got an Otto Porter Jr. for the Bulls. We got Ooh, 2 rookies in this, do we? Nah, they just put it in the wrong order. Draymond Green for the Warriors, and then Daniel Alturu for the Clippers. Kind of surprised me. Didn't expect it to be the second card. All right, we got Marcus Smart for the Celtics, Alex Caruso for the Lakers, and a Wizard. We got a Denny for the Wizards. No Tyrese Maxey yet either, bro. No Cole Anthony either. And no LaMelo. Damn, we need to hit one, man. Let's go. Trae Young, Hawks. Buddy Hield for the Kings. We got a Nugget, RJ Hampton. Tough box unless you're a Pistons or a Kings fan. Then you're doing all right. You're doing all right. Montrezl Harrell for the Lakers. Jamias Ramsey for the Kings. And PJ Tucker. Man, this is getting brutal. Let's go. Come on, baby. Finish strong. Got to hit this, man. Got to hit it hard. Nurkic for the Trailblazers. Cassius Stanley for the Pacers. And Mike Conley for the Jazz. Giannis, that's a nice one there. Giannis for the Bucks. Luka! Let's get that one. Luka. And a Timberwolf Ant-Man. Boom! There we go, baby. All right, Ant-Man. Timberwolves being redeemed here. Nice one. There we go. Man, I need a LaMelo to finish strong. I've got 4 more packs to do it. Boom. There we go. Think Pistons. Ant-Man. Oh, Ant-Man wins? Yeah. Luka gets a top loader just because I'm a homer. Nice Lukas too. Mavericks, man. Mavericks. I got 2 really nice Lukas. All right, DeAndre Hunter for the Hawks. Wolf from the back here. We got Landry Shamet. We got a Thunder. Is it a Maladin? Come on, we got 3 packs. Come on, give me that. 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 Come on, LaMelo, baby. I need a LaMelo to finish this out. Just one LaMelo and I'll be all right. Josh Richardson, Mavericks. Jared Allen for the Cavaliers. It's a Buck. It's a Nwora. Jordan Nwora. All right. This is going to be the last card, man. It's going to be a LaMelo. Watch it. Watch it. Crazy. That's the way it works, man. Rudy Gobert. Security. What the hell is that? For the Jazz, we got SGA for the Thunder. It's a Raptor. Malachi Flynn. Come on, just one LaMelo. One LaMelo. One LaMelo. Dude. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I had to put the mojo in it. I don't know if it's going to work, but we tried. All right. Before we do this, get in my absolute break. 15 minutes, it starts closing. 9 o'clock p.m. Central. Let's go. All right. All right, Lou Williams, Clippers, LaMarcus Aldridge. It's a Piston. Sadiq Bey. Sadiq Bey. God bless. God bless. Okay. Well, we tried, man. Quick recap. Nice purple Luka. Got a Tyrese, or I'm sorry, that's Anthony Edwards. And then we got 2 Tyrese Halliburtons right there. And a blue Velocity Ant-Man. I'm working on this ring light. I haven't quite figured it out, getting without the glare. I don't know what to do about that. Anyways, work in progress. Nice purple LeBron. Air defense. Nice James Wiseman we got a long time ago. Nice Luka blue Velocity. Here's that silver. I'm going to cut off this light, see if we can get a nice good look at it. Boom. Not quite as bright, but you can see that surface looks freaking good, man. This may be, I think this is for sure the hit of the night. I think. Well, no. We got the Ant-Man Blue Velocity. I take it back. That's probably the hit of the night. This is number 2. I like this one a lot. All right, guys. Really appreciate y'all so much. Thank you. And all right, thanks so much. Really appreciate it. Get in that absolute with me when I'll rip with you again about 10:30 tonight. These close at 9 p.m., so about 15 minutes away they start closing. Get in there and help me out. Have a good night, y'all. Appreciate you. We'll see you soon. And thanks again. And it's nice to meet you guys. Appreciate y'all being here. Have a good night.